Hey everyone, so I was harvesting this kale leaf and I noticed a couple little critters here. So these little critters, you probably already know who they are. They're very common in the garden, are aphids. Aphids are a sap-sucking insect that affect any plant, such as vegetables and ornamentals. You can find them almost all year round, and they like to congregate underneath your leaf. So you'll find aphids in clusters, and what makes aphids very successful as a pest is that they are parthenogenic. Parthenogenesis is where an insect or an animal has the ability to reproduce without mating. And these aphids do that quite often and give birth to live young. Ways to really control your aphid infestations is be very diligent with your insect scouting. If you notice any notable signs like this right now, you'll know that there are probably more aphids in your crop. So ways to control it is through mechanical means where you can hand pick these or you can spray them with water and really brush them off your plant. Other means of control are biological control. This is integrating any pollinator friendly flowers and any nectar sources to introduce not only pollinators but also beneficial natural predators such as wasps. So if you look closely here, you'll notice that there are some swelled up aphids, and that's a sign that there has been a parasitic wasp really parasitizing these aphids and doing its job. What the wasp does is it lays its eggs in the live aphid. The larvae feed on the live aphid and then eventually hatch out and recontinue that life cycle. So biological control really helps control this in the long run, but should your pest infestation be really out of hand, you can always have a chemical means of control by applying an organic insecticide to really control your aphid infestations. Aphids are a common but very controllable and doable insect to control. I hope you learned something new today. For more videos like these, subscribe for more, and happy gardening, and thanks for watching.